So this is Korea's Gamcheon Culture Village, otherwise known as Korea's Machu Picchu. I think this is another village that was created in the war, the Korean War, with refugees congregating in Busan. I really like the colors of the houses and everything. 안녕하세요. So that's where we want to go, down by that roundabout. 안녕하세요.
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 안녕하세요. 카드로 할까요?
해야 돼. 요거 두 개인데 요건 안 돼?
오케이.
네, 요걸로. 오케이.
오케이. 또.
Cheers, Sam.
Alright.
Cheers. Cheers.
Alright.
이거 드리자. 네. LA 갈비. LA 갈비.
Okay, 갈비.
New chocolate.
Thank you. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Yeah. Is it good? So this is the grilled pork with kimchi right here. So, yes.
No, here?
Here.
Vacation.
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 Yeah.
Yeah, with the beach. The beach, yeah. It was. That was remember the two beaches on.
Oh yeah. I remember that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We were going to go there, but it's too far.
Yeah, too far.
야, 나는 끝내야 줄 알았어. 왜? 혜연이 왜? 우와, 야, 뭐야.
It's an interesting radio right there. It's like a little TV.
오케이.
Oh,
그리고 옛날에는
Can you see the menu?
이게 5,000원?
the menu was
Yeah, the menu was dude. Okay.
It's $20.
이게 5,000원인데 잠깐만.
That makes sense.
수수료가 10,000원.
Yes.
카드 끊는 수수료.
But that's 30,000. How much? What? That doesn't make any sense, dude.
So it's 20.
카드로 하면 55,000원. 이렇게.
I have one.
오케이. 주면
So it's 30.
하나만 줘, 하나.
하나만.
요거 완. 요거 완 주면
And then she's gonna.
이렇게 주는 거야. 오케이?
Yes.
오케이.
We happened to sit next to two Korean women. We did some drinks together. They shared some of their food with us, and at the end, they left. And then when the cashier came up to me, she gave my friend and I the bill. It was 55,000 yuan. We only ordered 30,000. I told the lady, I said, this is not right. My friend was convinced that it's just Korean culture, that the men have to cater to the women. Just kind of be prepared for anything that happens when people try to rip you off. This place looks pretty good to eat, so we'll go ahead and check it out. Sweet potato cheese pork cutlets. We got the cutlets right here. The pork cheese. I never had cheese with pork, so this should be pretty interesting. Let's go for a bite here. See what this tastes like. Korea pork cheese cutlets. I think I'm going to end the video here. It wasn't a bad trip. I would say the majority of the Koreans, all the Koreans were really nice. Yeah, I think Korea is a great country, and I definitely want to come here again. I definitely want to learn a little bit more Korean so that I can converse with the locals, and I want to go to Seoul next time and hopefully see the DMZ. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you later.